Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportBikeTrackHere.com, here with another episode of You Can't Make This Shit Up. This is a special tribute to my friend, Rodney Best. Okay, one of my favorite things about spending all the time that I've spent at the racetrack over the last few decades is going to be the people you meet, the stories you tell, the experiences you have. Along the way, I've been very fortunate to meet a lot of special people. One of these people on this list, in full disclosure, I don't know Rodney super good. We're talking a handful of conversations, but all of them were fucking great. Guy's awesome, he's super cool, super entertaining. Races at Moto America and Twins Cup. Last weekend, Max and I were at AMP down in Georgia with our friends from Precision Track Days, and Max is just riding, right, doing some coaching and stuff, and it was hot out, and we're in our trailer with the AC going. We're watching our Moto America, watching our friends race on a weekend, right, in between some of his sessions. And we get to the Twins Cup race, and the Twins Cup race gets red flagged, and they had a lot of time. And Michael Hill's walking around with a camera, and he's talking to different people, and he gets far enough down that he gets to my man, Rodney Best, and Rodney's just sitting there, and he sticks the microphone in Rodney's face. I smack Max in the chest, and I'm like, dude, Michael has no idea where this is heading, but I sure do. Please hold while Clark plays the video.
And it's fine, yeah. We came here this weekend, we're gonna drink some beer, race some motorcycles, and check out some titties.
Well, okay, then we'll let you get ready. There's a few minutes to go. Apologies for anybody that might have been offended by that. I mean, that's Rodney Best.
Rodney, good sir, you are a legend. You have officially won VIR. Did other people race there? Did anyone win any of those races? Or was it just the iconic interview of our man, Rodney Best? I don't know about you guys, but I 100% vote for Rodney. While we're on the topic of different relationships within our community, we're going to talk some more shit. There happens to be a very nice live from now until next Monday. It's up to you to check your calendar. I don't even know what day today is, if I'm being honest with you. So people came in there, TDJU, and they tried to fuck with me, and it didn't work out that good for them. And well, you know what? In their honor, and maybe in Rodney's honor too, we're going to have a 10% off coupon code that is, at time of checkout, you enter in all caps, Daddy is home. And you're going to save 10% off your order, and it's now through next Monday. Check your own calendar, okay? Love that Facebook group. It's the best one. I haven't been participating in a while until people decided to tag me in some shit yesterday, and then I fucking participated. So I had to order some parts for this Kawasaki ZX6 project bike. Somehow, some of the bodywork pieces that I had for it, like the seat and those side panels with the gas tank, I fucked up and I threw them out, and I needed them when I put the armor bodies on the bike, right? So I had to go on to eBay and get some used parts. And I just thought this was pretty cool. One of the things I had to buy was the driver's seat. I threw the rider's seat out, and I needed all the little rubber pieces underneath it, and I bought them from, I'm going to shout out these guys right now, Motorsport Reserve LLC. They're in Pennsylvania, right? Bought the seat from them. They shipped it quick. It was great. And this is sick, man. Little zoomy there, Clark. Van, good luck with the ZX6R. Hope the seat works out. Congrats to Max on the recent fast laps at Grattan. Enjoy your riding for the rest of the year. I believe that says Ben. I just think that's cool. The dude took a minute, right? Recognized that it was me buying the shit for that project bike and knew about the project bike and put a little note on it and sent it over. Another amazing thing about this community. Here's an old prop that I have. So this one year at Brainerd, when the dudes in TDJU were really fucking with me hard, and there was some guy that created this profile called Brian Van's Dad. And we talked a lot of shit back and forth, and it was super fucking funny. and then child support came up that was unpaid, whatever. So these guys, while we're at Brainerd racing, come over and presented me with some back child support. This is still actually in my shop. Is there a date on it, Clark? 2022. It's approaching vintage status. If you don't have a motorcycle and you're watching this and you're like, my life sucks, right? All you have to do to fix it is follow the advice of my good man, Rodney Vest. It's going to lead you to some of the greatest things in the world. Riding motorcycles, drinking beer, and checking out some titties.